There is no doubt that Bitcoin is the king of the coins. Bitcoin is the most purchased, held, and traded cryptocurrency in the market, but there are other coins in the market that also have a huge potential to grow in the future. In today's video, we'll be going through 3 cheap altcoins with huge potential to grow and be profitable in the future. So if you like such information, please stay tuned and continue watching. Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here, welcome to the channel and please consider hitting that like button, smashing that subscribe button, and leaving a comment in the comment section. We have a lot to cover today, so let us get into it. Number 3 on the list of top altcoins worth buying is Ripple XRP. XRP is the native cryptocurrency of Ripple, a cryptocurrency payment system created by Ripple Labs, Inc. XRP is its digital asset built for global payments, implying that Ripple plans to rival money transfers usually conducted by the banking system. XRP would allow users to send money at a very low cost, attracting the potential interest of retail customers and banks alike. A key value proposition of Ripple is its minuscule transaction costs while offering transaction finality of under 5 seconds. If we look at XRP, we can see that XRP has a current price of 82 cents as of at the time of making this video. XRP has a 1-month low of 71 cents and a 1-month high of about 90 cents. If we look at the 1-month price chart, we can see that XRP has been slowly rallying up and is on an upwards trajectory. XRP has a market dominance of 1.84%, a market cap of over $39 billion, and is currently ranked 9th in the market. If we look at its ratings, we can see that Scientree grades XRP as a D, but we have to mention that XRP ratings have not been updated since 2020. Token Insight ranking ranks XRP as a double B. There is no denying that XRP has a lot of potential. The fact that it has also partnered with banks is a good thing. One issue, though, which is the elephant in the room, is the issue of the current lawsuit that XRP is facing. On December the 22nd, 2020, the Securities and Exchange Commission filed a lawsuit against Ripple for selling $1.3 billion in unregistered securities through its XRP cryptocurrency. Ripple has denied the allegation, claiming that XRP isn't a security. Ever since this lawsuit, there has been uncertainty around XRP. One thing is for sure, though, XRP is currently a risk play, especially because of this lawsuit. I still think XRP has a lot of potential, and if this lawsuit goes their way, the price of XRP would go high. Coming in at number 2 in the list of altcoins worth buying is the Stellar XLM. Stellar is an open network that allows money to be moved and stored. When it was released in July 2014, one of its goals was boosting financial inclusion by reaching the world's unbanked, but soon afterward, its priorities shifted to helping financial firms connect with one another through blockchain technology. The network's native token, Lumens, serves as a bridge that makes it less expensive to trade assets across borders. If we look at Stellar, we can see that Stellar has a current price of 23 cents as of at the time of making this video. Stellar has a 1-month low of 16 cents and a 1-month high of 24 cents. If we look at the 1-month price chart, we can see that Stellar has been slowly rallying up and is on an upwards trajectory. Stellar has a market cap of over $5 billion and is currently ranked number 30 on the list of top altcoins according to CoinMarketCap. If we look at Stellar's ratings, we can see that Scientree ranks Stellar as a C+, while Token Insight rates Stellar as a double B. Stellar was first launched back in 2014 and is one of the older cryptocurrencies in the market. The Stellar Development Foundation releases quarterly reports on its growth. In its final report for 2021, Stellar had impressive year-over-year growth numbers. Stellar also has a lot of partnerships with big institutions like the IBM and MoneyGram, and that is why I am bullish on Stellar and I think is a fantastic coin to own. Number 1 on the list of top altcoins worth buying is Cardano. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators, and visionaries to bring about positive global change. The open-source project also aims to redistribute power from unaccountable structures to the margins to individuals, helping to create a society that is more secure, transparent, and fair. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. If we look at Cardano, we can see that Cardano has a current price of on $1.21 as of at the time of making this video. Cardano has a 1-month low of 78 cents and a 1-month high of $1.21. If we look at the 1-month price chart, we can see that Cardano has been slowly rallying up and is on an upwards trajectory. Cardano has a market dominance of 1.88%, a market cap of over 40 billion, and is currently ranked 8th in the market. If we look at its ratings, we can see that Simetree grades Cardano as a C and Token Insight grading ranks Cardano as a triple B. If we look at holders' composition by time held, we can see that 12% of its holders have had Cardano for over a year. 76% have had Cardano for between a month and 12 months, while 12% of its holders have had Cardano for less than a month. Cardano's founder, Hoskinson, has been pushing hard to see Cardano's potential come to fruition in Africa, as Africa represents an untapped market in terms of blockchain. Africa has a huge population with a huge proportion being unbanked and believes cryptocurrency can help. Cardano is without a doubt one of the most promising applications in the blockchain space. Cardano has huge potential with strong fundamentals and a lot of momentum behind the project. Cardano is a good investment, and that is why it's on the list of altcoins to worth investing in. That is it for today's video. If you enjoyed that video, please give the video a thumbs up, comment in the comment section, and don't forget to subscribe and help my channel grow. See you in the next video, and goodbye.